Welcome to Science World, Vancouver. We're excited to take you along on our fun-filled adventure. We just arrived at Science World, and we decided to register for an annual pass. It's cheaper in the long run, and we can come back to see different shows when they change. First up, we watched an amazing live bubble show. The presenter did some really cool experiments and explained how things work in a fun way. We learned a lot and had so much fun watching the demonstrations.
Ooh, let's give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. And just come back to your seat. Each volunteer is really small. Some of the smallest to help me. Everyone that I am a trained adult here at Science World, so I advise that everyone do not try this at home. So you can see there's a bunch of different colors on the bubbles, and that is because the light is reflecting off the bubble solution, causing the light to shine. A little bit of the tingliness. And your hair is starting to stand up. You look like a rock star. Can you see, if you look at my friend? Are you ready? Push your feet again. You don't want your feet to get pushed.
Next, we visited the Eureka exhibit. It's one of the kids' favorites. And we loved it too, because there are benches to sit on and the view of False Creek outside is so relaxing. The kids had a blast trying out all the different stations.
Let's go. Grab some water.
Okay na, Daddy.
The Body Works exhibit was really interesting. The most fascinating part was seeing real body organs like the heart, lungs, intestines, and brain. It was amazing to learn about how our bodies function.
Makita yung brain.
Wow, galing ah. Good.
You want ano?
Sa gitna ako umakyat. Isa sa gitna.
Daddy, carry mo si Maya.
We also went to the science theater to watch real scientists perform experiments. They were a dynamic duo and their demonstrations were both educational and entertaining. Even we adults were thoroughly entertained.
Science class today, everybody. Bye.
In the Our World exhibit, we saw fossils, birds, dinosaur fossils, rocks, different insects, jaws, and more. It was a fascinating journey through different environments and the creatures that live there.
And I'm controlling it. It's a fan, and I'm trying to uncover the dinosaur skeleton.
Kita yung kamay mo. Yan yung itsura ng balat. Lalo yung kuko mo. Makikita dyan yung dumi. Kuko mo yan, di ba?
Later.
The Wonder exhibit is perfect for kids aged 5 and below. There's a structure around 20 feet tall where kids can climb safely because it's covered by nets. The kids loved exploring and playing in this area. The skin exhibit was fascinating. We learned about the different layers of our skin and how it protects our bodies. There were some cool interactive displays that showed how our skin reacts to different things like heat and cold. We also spent some time outside in the Ken Spencer Science Park. Even though it was a bit gloomy when we were there, we learned a lot from the interactive exhibits. The park explores themes like water consumption, waste management, housing challenges, food requirements, transportation issues, and energy consumption. It was a great way to learn about creating healthier communities and sustainable practices.
Mommy, I want more, please. Give me a little more, please.
Ate, wait lang. Oh, sige, baba mo na.
I like you.
We had an amazing day at Science World, filled with learning and fun. Thanks for joining us on our adventure.